Okay, this is the backwaters of Laanecoorie Reservoir, and it's getting pretty close to the roadside here near the Bet Creek. Mantles Bridge up there. The water's a lot higher than what it was last week. Laanecoorie Reservoir overflowing a bit more than what it was last week. Bit of a back up there. Laanecoorie spillway overflow there. You can see it's up a lot more than it has been previously. Underneath all the foam is where you used to be able to drive your car and park. So at the moment it's just a sea of foam. Those people who know Laanecoorie would know that that little monument there is where you can drive your car near. Here we are now, just overlooking the Laanecoorie Weir. Here I am at the John Kane Reserve, the free camp, Laanecoorie River Reserve. As you can see, the road coming into the free camp is now flooded. All the campers have gone. Quite a few of the campsites have gone under. So the river's looks like it's still rising a touch. Depends on what's inflowing down the Loddon and the Bet Creek. Laanecoorie River Trail. She's a fair river now. With more rain expected next week, I just wonder how high it's going to go. Should clear a bit till then. But the ground is well and truly safe. The fire pit there is quite safe. There's no fires getting away from that one. Or the other in the middle there. Here we are at Hamilton's Crossing, the Loddon River. As you can see, it is well and truly over. In fact, the free camp, which is on both sides of this crossing, would be completely underwater.